Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get BTC wallet address. It's super quick and easy. Whether you're using your mobile device or a computer, this method works perfectly for both. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Binance account. Make sure you're using your credentials to access your account securely. Next, go to your wallet by clicking on the wallet icon on the bottom right. Then, click on Add Funds. On the deposit page, click on Deposit Crypto. Now, use the search bar to find Bitcoin. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed. Here's an important step. You'll see multiple network options. Choose the one you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. In my case, I'll select the Bitcoin network. Once you've selected the network, simply click the Copy button. That's it. You now have your Bitcoin wallet address. You can use it to send Bitcoin to Binance or share it with anyone. And that's how you get BTC wallet address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.